Hello, I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through the Silent Gliss Metropole relaunch. Silent Gliss have been working with a designer called Nadine Haddon to relaunch the Metropole range, and I think she's done an absolutely fantastic job of taking Metropole to the next level. Metropole really marries the aesthetic, design and the beauty of a curtain pole with the functionality of the high-performing curtain tracks that Silent Gliss are renowned for, delivering a truly stunning window dressing. Each Metropole features a glider channel on the underside of the pole, offering the curtain track functionality and usability benefits. The Metropole is available in 3 round profiles and a rectangular profile. There is a specific video on each of the profiles, so if you know which Metropole is right for your requirements, please do view the specific video. If not, I'm going to talk you through the different options to give you the information to make an informed decision and the right one for your requirements. So I'll start with the 23mm. This is a round profile and is available as a hand-drawn option only. It's ideal for light to medium weight curtains, and if you want that floaty, airy feel with a voile or sheer, the 23mm will be perfect. You can, however, put a heavier curtain on it and it's suitable for sort of medium weight curtains, but a really nice, slim and diameter. This 23mm is shown in ecru with the taper style finials. I'll show it next to the 30mm just so that you can get the proportions of the different diameters. This 30mm is shown in taupe with the spear style finials, and the 30mm comes as a hand-drawn or recorded option. Moving on to the 50mm, this is also a round profile, and again I'll just show you the two next to each other just to gain the proportions. So the 50mm, as you can see, really, although it's only 2 centimetres, it doesn't sound a lot, but it really does give us quite a different look. So you are really going to quite a large diameter with the 50mm, but it's great for extra wide windows, bifold doors, or at tall ceilings, or indeed to balance some heavier, sort of more opulent fabrics. The 50mm Metropole is available as a hand-drawn, corded or motorised option. This one is shown in slate grey with the glass ball style finial. Moving on to the 36mm. This has a flat rectangular profile, and this is shown in bronze. The flat profile lends itself to modern interiors as it does really give a more contemporary look. The Metropoles are available up to 6 metres as a single piece, except for the chrome colour, which is only available up to 4 metres. And you can join several Metropoles together, so they are perfect for extra wide windows, bifold or sliding doors. They can also be bent, so are suitable for bay windows and look stunning in a bay. They're also suitable for recess fitting, so if you're fitting between 2 walls, they're ideal with the flush or stud style finials. There are 9 finial styles in the Metropole portfolio, which are available across all the diameters, and there's just a couple of exceptions, and that's the 36mm, the flat profile. This is only available with the flush or stud end caps, just to complement that contemporary styling. And the Metropoles in silver and chrome are only available with the flush and stud end caps as well. So if I just talk you through the finial portfolio and the range, there's 3 discrete finials available, and that's the flush, the stud and the designer end cap. So I'll just show you the differences between the 3 options. So this is the flush end cap shown on a 23mm Metropole in white, next to the stud end cap shown on the 30mm in ecru. All the finials are proportionate to the pole sizes, so they all look perfectly proportioned when on the Metropoles. And then if I just show you, this is a 50mm designer end cap, again in ecru, next to the stud end cap, so it just offers a little bit more definition than the stud. Then we've got the flush end cap on the 36mm flat rectangular profile in matte white. And again, just to show you the flush end cap on a 50mm in the taupe. If you wanted something a little bit more decorative, there are 2 stunning modern and contemporary finial styles. These really have beautiful organic fluid shapes, and this is the ellipse and the taper. So absolutely stunning finial designs that really lends itself beautifully to modern architectural design styles. And just to show you on another Metropole, this is the ochre with the ellipse finial on the end of a 30mm Metropole. And this is the taper on the Accru 23mm. For more traditional styling, you may wish to consider the spear finial, the groove cylinder, the ball or the glass ball. These are all shown in 23mm here in front of me, but just to show you on some of the Metropoles, this is the 30mm in taupe with the spear. Then we've got the glass ball in slate grey on the 50mm. And we've got the ball in black on the 50mm over here as well. Attention has been paid to every detail in this relaunch of this Metropole, and the finials have been designed to offer a seamless fit to the poles, which you can see on this spear finial star here, just a really seamless join of the finial on the end of the pole. Likewise with the ball, again just a really nice seamless fit. The colours haven't changed with the Metropole relaunch, but I think they just work beautifully in contemporary and traditional interior design styles, and really offer a portfolio of colours to give you the choice that's right for your requirements. So I'll just talk you through the colours available. So just starting with the whites, there's a matte white and a standard white available. So the standard white has sort of got a slight glossy finish to it, whereas the matte white, obviously from the name indicates, has more of a matte finish. Then we have the Accru. So if I just show you that next to the white, just so that you can see that lovely sort of off-white colour. What's nice about this is it is a cream, but it's not going on the yellow hues. So it is quite a contemporary cream, just offering that sort of warm off-white shading. Moving on to some of the other warmer colours. There's the taupe and the ochre. Then we have the antique bronze and bronze, which have a very subtle sort of metallic finish to them. And sand. Moving on to sort of the cooler colours, we have the anodic grey and the silver. And again, the silver is an anodised silver, so it just has a very slight sort of sheen to it. Then we have the polished chrome. We have slate grey and gunmetal. And then we have charcoal and black. These are great for modern windows and bifold and sliding doors, which tend to have that black or anthracite finish on them. The Metropoles are available with a range of glider options. All the gliders offer the Silent Gliss 2C technology. So they're a 2-component glider marrying functionality and performance, and offer a really quiet glide. So the standard gliders and roller gliders are suitable for all curtain heading styles. If your curtains are on the heavy side, we would recommend the upgrade to the roller gliders, as these do enable you to open and close your curtains more easily. The 23mm Metropole is only available with the standard and wave gliders. So the wave gliders are available in the 60mm or an 80mm option, and are required if you are opting for the modern wave curtain heading style. All Metropoles can be ceiling or wall fixed, and I have done a specific video on the Silent Gliss Metropole bracket options, but I will just talk you through the options now. If you're ceiling fixing with the 23mm, 30mm or 36mm, the 3mm top fixed plate is the standard ceiling fixed bracket. And if you're fixing with the 50mm, it is the 9mm plate. That's with the flush stud or designer end caps. All Metropoles can be ceiling or wall fixed, and there is a specific video on the bracket options available, but I will just give you an overview now. If you are ceiling fitting with the one of the end cap style finials, so the flush, the stud or the designer, the 3mm top fixed plate will be supplied with the 23mm, the 30mm and the 36mm as standard. If you are fixing with one of the end caps on a 50mm, it'll be the 9 fix plate that comes as standard. These give a flush fit to the ceiling and are very discreet. If, however, you'd prefer a finial on the end of your Metropole, you will need to specify a ceiling hanger or top fixed bracket. So this is the ceiling hanger bracket, and this is the top fixed bracket. So just slightly different styles of bracket. And these are needed so that the pole doesn't sit flush with the ceiling to allow room for the finial to sit on the end of the Metropole. If you're wall fixing the Metropole, the Smart Fix brackets are supplied as standard on the 23mm, 30mm and 36mm. And it is the maxi adjustable bracket that comes on the 50mm as standard. So I'll just show you those now. So this is the Smart Fix bracket. It's available with 3 different projections, so a 60mm, an 80 and a 100mm. So the 60mm will be supplied as standard with standard or roller gliders, the 80mm with 60mm wave gliders, and the 100mm with the 80mm wave gliders. And that's to ensure the folds on the wave don't rub on the walls and just sit far enough off so that they don't touch. If, however, you've got a radiator or a windowsill, you may need to upgrade from the 60mm to one of the longer projection brackets so that your curtains just sit in front of your windowsill or in front of your radiator, for example. So this is a standard Smart Fix bracket, a nice neat bracket which comes with a magnetic bracket plate. There is also an option to upgrade to the square style Smart Fix bracket, which is shown here. So this has a rectangular back plate, so it's more discreet. So if I just show it you with a 23mm Metropole on it, the profile nearly covers the square style of the bracket, and it is pretty much covered on the larger 30mm diameter. So I'll just show you the, as you can see, you can just see a little bit of the bracket underneath the Metropole, which you can't with the square style. This is an upgrade on our website and when you come to order your Metropole. If you order the Metropole with the Square Fix upgrade, we will supply the standard brackets for the ends of the pole where the curtains will stack, because these will be concealed by the curtains at all time. If you're ordering for a single stack curtain, we will just supply one for the end where the curtain will stack, and then the rest will be the square. If you're ordering the Metropoles for a bay window, the adjustable brackets will be supplied as standard, and again there is a standard version, and this is just the square one just to show you. So it's just got a sort of a long slot in the top, giving you the adjustability on fixing. So this is useful as quite often in bay windows the walls aren't exactly straight, so it just gives you a little bit of room to manoeuvre. All of these square Smart Fix brackets come with lovely magnetic cover plates to conceal the screws for a really polished finish. There is the option on our website to upgrade to some alternative style brackets. This is the fillet style bracket, so a nice contemporary looking bracket, and this is the maxi bracket. Again, this comes with a nice magnetic cover plate, and again just offers a slightly different look to the stamps, to the Smart Fix. The fillet bracket also comes with a magnetic plate just to cover the fixings. If you're ordering a 50mm Metropole, the maxi adjustable bracket is supplied as standard. So this is adjustable, as you can see, which is great for the bay windows to allow that flexibility if the walls aren't quite straight. And this is the standard bracket for the 50mm, and is the one that Silent Gliss recommends. If you're ordering a hand-drawn track, you will also be given the option of adding an adjustable brake and draw rod carrier to your Metropole. What these do is stops the leading edge of the curtains jumping forwards. It is recommended for wave curtains, as the wave curtain heading tape is quite stiff to enable the curtains to hold the wave shape, and as such you can get the curtains just jumping forwards a little bit. But this is an option that's just offered on as you order the Metropole through the website. If you order a draw rod, there's just a little hook for the draw rod carrier to attach to. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and home interiors hints and tips. And thank you very much for watching.